This clip will show a closer look at the true TWT-27 27-inch worktop refrigerator. This worktop unit has a stainless steel top, front and sides, with a matching aluminum back. Stainless steel construction ensures a rust and corrosion-free investment. Recessed handles provide ergonomic comfort while maintaining a clear pathway. The single solid door easily swings open. Positive self-closing doors provide energy efficiency. Two easily adjustable PVC-coated wire shelves accommodate changing storage needs. Position shelves up and down to customize the space. A bottom-mounted compressor operates in the most grease-free area, running below the heat of the kitchen. Trust the true TWT-27 for your worktop refrigeration space. Call your personal account manager or visit foodservicewarehouse.com and order yours today.